Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare hyaluronic acid at home. First, gather your ingredients: hyaluronic acid powder, which is often sold in a fine white form, and distilled water. You will also need a clean, airtight container and a small whisk or spoon. Sterilize everything thoroughly to prevent contamination. Precision in measurement is key for a stable and effective product, so have your measuring spoons ready. Now, let's mix. For a common 1% solution, you'll typically use 1 gram of hyaluronic acid powder for every 100 milliliters of distilled water. Slowly sprinkle the powder into the water while gently stirring. This gradual addition helps prevent the powder from clumping together, ensuring a smooth, uniform mixture. Continue stirring until it appears mostly dissolved, then let it rest. After mixing, patience is key. The hyaluronic acid powder needs time to fully hydrate and absorb the water, which can take anywhere from 2 to 4 hours or even overnight. You'll notice the liquid gradually transforming into a thick, clear gel. Give it an occasional gentle stir during this period to help any remaining undissolved particles incorporate. The goal is a smooth, uniform, and slightly viscous serum. Once your hyaluronic acid serum has reached its desired consistency, it's ready for use. Transfer it to a clean, airtight container, preferably a dark glass bottle to protect it from light. Store it in the refrigerator, where it can remain fresh for about 1 to 2 weeks. When applying, use just a few drops on damp skin, as this helps the hyaluronic acid draw in moisture effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.